Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to TECNO Spark 20 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices to download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. And when you're ready, hit send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then receive right next to send at the bottom of TECNO. Also on an Android, thanks to all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to choose allow a few more times to access them. Then hit send next to selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any apps, hit OK in white pop-up. And then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip 1 to decide which connection way will be better for you. To scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, tap on Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire and hit Receive button to connect. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close or add. And as you can see after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!